Dear children, we shall learn how to round off the following decimal numbers to second decimal place or hundred place. Second decimal place is also called as hundred place. You have already learned how to round off the decimal place to first decimal place or tenth place. Now, in this number 15.168, the second decimal place is having digit 6. So we have to look at the third decimal place. In the third decimal place, so we have digit 8. So this is more than 5. If any digit is equal to or more than 5, add 1 to the second decimal place. So this becomes 7 and this remains as it is and the whole number remains undisturbed. Make this as 0. So answer is 15.170. Let me go to the second example. So 9.285. Now I have to round it up to the second decimal place. To round it up to second decimal place, I have to look at the third decimal place. So this is thousandth place. So I have to add 1 to the second decimal because in the third decimal place I have digit which is equal to 5. If a digit equal to 5 or more than 5, add 1 to second decimal place. This becomes 9. 8 plus 1 is 9. This is as it is. Whole number remains undisturbed and make it as 0. The answer is 9.290. Let us go to the third example. In the third example, 9.982, the second decimal place is having digit 8. Now you have to look at the third decimal place. In the third decimal place is 2, which is less than 5. So if the third decimal is less than 5, you need not add anything to the second decimal place, rate as it is, and the first decimal as it is, and the whole number remains undisturbed. Make this as 0. 9.980 is the answer. Now let us go to the fourth problem. 16.243. So first decimal place is 2, second decimal place is 4. So we have to round off to this place and we have to look at the third decimal place or thousandth place. In the third decimal place the digit is less than 5. Less than 5. So you need not add anything to the second decimal places. Write as it is. First decimal place 2. Whole number remains undisturbed. So make it as 0. So answer is 16.240. Now here we have 26, that is fifth problem, 26.498. Now in the third decimal place we have a digit 8 which is more than or equal to 5. So add 1 to 9, second decimal place. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1 to the first decimal place. 4 plus 1 is 5. So whole number remains undisturbed. 26.50. I can write one more 0. Nothing happens. Now the answer is 26.500 or 26.50. Just you can write 50 there only. Nothing. No problem. Now F problem. 12.237. So we have to round it up to second decimal place. In the third decimal place we have 7, which is more than 5. If a number is more than or equal to 5, add 1 to the second decimal place. 3 plus 1 is 4. This remains as it is and put decimal point. Whole number remains as it is and this becomes 0. Answer is 12.24 or 12.240. The next example we have 5.999. So in all the decimal place we have 9. Third decimal place is 9, which is greater than 5. If a number is greater than or equal to 5, add 1 to the second decimal place. 9 plus 1, it is 10. Carry 1 to the first decimal place. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1 to the ones place. 5 plus 1, 6. The answer is 6.00. You can also add one more 0. Now the last example, 22.782. So we have to round it up to second decimal. Focus on the third decimal place. It is more than or equal to 5. So add 1 to the second decimal place. It becomes 9. So the first decimal place remain as it is. Put decimal point. Whole number remains undisturbed. 22.79 and make this 0, 0. So answer is 22.79 or 22.7900.